Just as love is essential to connect hearts, similarly, tape is essential to connect wires, which you all must have used at some point or another. But do you know how this tape is made in the factory? If not, then today I will take you to the biggest tape factory and show you how tape is made in the factory. So, to make tape, first, a roll of PVC sheets is taken. When unrolled, you can see here the PVC sheet being unrolled. The roll you're seeing is what every type of tape is made from, whether it's transparent tape or black tape. First, it is fitted into a large machine. Here, you can see it being properly fitted into the machine. Now comes the step of joining it with the old sheet. The old PVC sheet is joined here using tape. First, the tape is applied properly on one side of the new sheet and the other side of the old sheet. Then both are joined together and the machine is turned on. After that, as the rollers start rotating, the sheet moves forward and keeps advancing. Let me tell you, the PVC sheet you're seeing is used to make the main tape. First, it is dipped into a glue solution, which gives it stickiness. Here, you can see the rollers on one side have already started moving. Our machine has begun rotating the rollers, and the white glue you see here is what makes the tape sticky. It looks exactly like Fevicol but is much thinner. As it starts drying slightly, it becomes completely transparent, almost as if it has disappeared. First, the roll comes from behind, then it enters the glue, and after passing through the glue, it moves upward. Here, you can see around 7 to 8 fans installed to dry it initially. The most special thing about this glue is that even after drying, its stickiness remains intact. That's how the tape works. If the stickiness were to disappear, how would the tape function? However, it's crucial to dry this white layer thoroughly. The rest of the tape shouldn't remain wet. Here, you can see it's very wet, which makes the PVC sheet wet as well. Without drying, it can't be rolled. That's why it's dried first. It takes about 10 minutes to dry the entire roller. After drying, you can see these wooden frames here. These are the rollers on which the tape is made. Now the new roller will be fitted. The old one is removed from the machine and the new roller is placed on top. It's folded properly, and after cutting the old roller, our tape roll is ready. Once the new one is fitted properly, the machine is turned on again. The machine keeps rotating, drying the tape, or rather the PVC sheet, until our tape roll is fully prepared. Here, you can see all the rollers being prepared one by one. But you also know who would buy such a large sheet of tape. That's why the next step is cutting it. For this, each roll is taken and fitted into another machine. Here, you can see all the rollers ready. Now, they are lifted one by one and fitted into the other machine. Then comes the cutting process. A large blade machine is used for cutting. With the help of this machine, small rolls of tape are prepared, the kind we buy for our homes. For any electrical work, the thicker or larger the roll needed, it's made using this roller machine. Then, the main cutting is done, which determines how thick our roll will be. Here, you can see the workers cutting each small tape roll one by one. Once all are cut and ready, they are placed inside the crate. Now, all the rolls are ready. Next comes the packaging stage. They are taken from one place to another, meaning to another room. Here, our dear auntie handles the packaging. First, small plastic covers are taken. Inside these, the branding card is placed. After inserting the card, all the rolls we prepared are placed inside one by one. Here, you can see the card being inserted. Then, the rolls are also placed. Each roll is fitted properly onto the card. After fitting the roll, they are folded one by one. Here, you can see each roll being folded. Then, they are dried properly using a large drying machine and sealed tightly. Now, you can see all the rolls being sealed one by one, and our packaging is also done beautifully. Also, tell me how you like this video. I'll see you in the next video.